Hello student, welcome to Standard 10th History and Political Science. We are studying chapter 6 Entertainment and History. Yesterday we the previous lecture we have studied why do we need entertainment, and then we started studying the folk theater. So in that folk theater we have studied the wooden puppetry, and now today we are going to study the next part, that is Dashavatar theatre. So Dash means 10 and Avatar means incarnation. Here we are going to study the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu. Let us see. Dashavatara is part of the folk theatre in Maharashtra. Dashavatara shows are presented in the region of Konkan and Goa after harvesting season is over. So after the harvesting, the paddy crops are cut, and then the farmers doesn't have that much work. The rain is subsided, and therefore in the Konkan region, farmers come together and they have this Dashavatara theatre. The stories presented in these shows are based on the 10th incarnation, that is, the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu. They are namely Matsya avatar, Kurma avatar. Matsya means fish, Kurma means kachua or the turtle, Varaha means the swine, Narasimha, that means half human and half lion, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, and Kalki. These are the different avatars or incarnation of Lord Vishnu. At the beginning of the show, Sutradhara, that is the narrator, invoke Lord Ganesha, the destroyer of obstacle. So Ganesh Vandana is been done, which is also called the gunner. Then the method of acting, makeup, costumes in the Shautara show is set up by traditions. So different parts are given to different people, and then they do the makeup, they have the costumes, and different costumes, colorful costumes are there, light effect is also used, sound effect is also used, and then they perform their art. The show is mostly musical, but sometimes there may be a few spontaneous dialogue. So spontaneity is also there, and musical show is also there. So on the at the spur of the moment, the spontaneous dialogues are being narrated. The character representing gods use wooden mask. So either uh, representing that particular god, the wooden mask are put over the face, and then people can recognize that this is this particular god. For example, Rama, then Rama's mask is put, and Ravana, then 10 heads are also attached to that. The the show ends by breaking dahi handi, an earthen pot of curd, followed by Aarti singing praises of the god. So, in this way, the Dashavatara shows are continued. In the 18th century, Shamji Naik Kale spread a fud Fad means troop. Shamji Naik Kale spread the word of the Shautara artist which used to perform all over Maharashtra. So they used to go in the village to village and they used to perform. Vishnudas Bhave, the pioneer of Marathi theatre, staged mythological plays by introducing some modifications in the Dashavatara style. So here he staged the same thing, mythological stories, and uh, he depicted all these. Thus, the origin of Marathi theatre can be traced to the Shautara tradition. So, Vishnudas Bhave started putting up a theatric show, and therefore, the tradition of Maharashtra or Marathi theatre goes back to the Shautara style. So, my dear student, the Shautara is been explained to you. Thus means, once again I would like to tell you that thus means 10 and Avtara means incarnation. Lord Vishnu has taken different avtaras to destroy the demon, and these avtaras are being depicted through this play. So tomorrow we are going to study bhajan in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.